Hi friends, here we have to find the square root of minus 7 minus 24 under root minus 1. So this is basics of complex numbers. How do we find square root of again a complex number? Hmm. Here we have to just assume that whatever this square root is of the form x plus iy. Right, and because obviously the square root of a complex number would be a square, be again a complex number. Let's assume that it is x plus iy. Right, here root minus 1 means I. Right, let us write in that notation. So square root of minus 7 minus 24i equals x plus iy. What does that mean? Squaring on both sides. Minus 7 minus 24i equals a plus b whole square. Right, what is this one? A square plus b square. B square is I square y square. I square is minus 1, so it is minus y square. X square minus y square plus 2ab. 2x times iy. 2xyi. Right. So the real part is x square minus y. Imaginary part is 2xy. Let us equate both real parts and both imaginary, real and imaginary parts. X square minus y square becomes minus 7. Right. And 2xy becomes minus 24. What does that mean? Xy equals minus 12. But we know x square minus y square. Right, and we know 2xy. Let us, how do we can calculate x square plus y square, right? Because now x square minus y square and 2xy. How? X square plus y square whole square is x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square, right? A plus b whole square is a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Right, here a is x square and b is y square. That's how we are doing, right? X square plus y square whole square is x square minus y square whole square plus 4 times x square y square. Right. What is x square minus y square? It is minus 7. Minus 7 whole square is 49. Right. 49 plus 2xy is minus 24. Right. So here 2xy whole square, right? 4x square y square is 2xy whole square, which is minus 24 square, which is equal to 24 square only. So 49 plus 576 is 625. So x square plus y square whole square is 625. X, so what does that mean? X square plus y square is 25. Right. We are not taking minus 25. Why? Because x and y, these are normal numbers only. Right, x and y, x plus iy, y and x are normal real numbers. These are not complex numbers. Right, x and y are real numbers. So that's why x square and y square both are positive. So x square plus y square cannot be negative. There is no complex number in x and y. Right, x plus iy is complex, not x and y. So x square plus y square we are taking 25 only. And x square minus y square we already have minus 7. If you add both of them, 2x square becomes 25 minus 7, 80. X square becomes 9. Here we take x is either plus 3 or minus 3. Right. X can be positive or negative. X cannot be complex. Right. So that's why we are taking x is plus 3 or minus 3. Right. Similarly, y can be xy is minus 12, right? Xy is minus 12. So if x, so y can be minus 4 or plus 3. Right. The order is actually when x equals positive, y should be negative, and when x is negative, y should be positive. That is this. X is 3, then y should be minus 4, or x is minus 3, y should be 4. You can write this as minus or plus 4. Right. That is a better representation probably. So when x is positive, y should be negative, or when x is negative, y should be positive. So that is the square root. We have got two square roots. What are the square roots? 3 minus 4i or minus 3 plus 4i. These are the two square roots. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. Thank you. This is simple, basic algebraic manipulation only, complex numbers.